Hey everyone, welcome to Error Cure YouTube channel. If you are facing Genshin Impact error code 4201, don't worry, I will help you to fix this error. Stay tuned till the end of the video and follow my tips. Method 1. Open the Genshin Impact launcher. Navigate to the settings, then select Game Resources, and click on Repair Game Files. Wait for the verification repair process to complete. Go back and click Launch. Method 2. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Ensure airplane mode is off, then return to Genshin Impact. Method 3. If the issue persists, verify that your device is set to the correct calendar date. Method 4. If none of the above steps work, you may need to reinstall Genshin Impact. This can be a time-consuming process, so make sure to back up your game data if possible. If the video is helpful, then like the video and subscribe to the Error Cure channel. Thanks for watching.